Okay. So students, today we are going to begin. Again, I'm telling you, we are doing a quick revision of sentences. Now look at this example. Can you hear me, children? If you can hear me, give me a thumbs up. Okay. So see here, look at this example. Class 3, Zoom class having is there. Children, is this making any sense? If it is not making any sense, give me a thumbs down. Okay. Okay. So this is not making a sense. Okay. So can we say it as a sentence? No, we cannot say it as a sentence. So let us wonder what is sentence. Okay. Sentences are group of words that make complete sense. Okay. Any group of words that joins together to make complete sense is called a sentence. For example, if you look here, if I arrange these words properly, like see, I have arranged the group of words. Okay, I have arranged the group of words. Children, can you hear me? If you can hear me, again put a thumbs up. Okay, so see here, children, when I've arranged these words, class 3rd is having their Zoom class. Okay, it is making a complete sense, and therefore this is called as a sentence. Okay, so any group of words that join together to make a complete sense is called a sentence. You have understood it? Okay. Now, I am going to show you 3 more examples of sentences. Okay, now look at these examples, children. It is very hot today. Ram is a good boy. The elephant has large ears. Now see, children, in these 3 examples, all these group of words are having something similar. If you see, the first letter of each sentence is beginning with a capital letter. Okay. Also, if you see here carefully, every sentence is ending with a full stop. Okay. Every sentence here is ending with a full stop. And all these sentences, okay, all these sentences, these group of words are arranged in a proper order. So what we can say, children? We can say that every sentence begins with a capital letter. Every sentence ends with a full stop. All these words in a sentence are in a proper order. Okay, children? Have you understood this? I again repeat. Every sentence begins with a capital letter. Every sentence ends with a full stop. Okay. All the words in a sentence are in a proper order. Have you understood this, children? If you have understood, show me a thumbs up like this. Have you understood, children? Show me a thumbs up. Can you all hear me? Okay. Okay. So this is about sentences. Let us revise. What are sentences? Sentences are a group of words that make complete sense. Every sentence begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. All the words in a sentence are in a proper order. Okay. Now we are going to learn about types of sentences. Now, children, look at these two examples. The first example is, I like chocolate ice cream. Okay. Now, children, here I am expressing an idea. I am telling something about myself. Okay. Such type of sentences which express an idea, okay, or tells us about something is a statement. Okay. This sentence is a statement. Why? Because it is giving an idea about the person here. Okay. It is giving an idea and it is talking about someone. Okay. It is talking about me. Okay. I like chocolate ice cream is giving an idea about myself. Okay. The next example you see, what is your name? Here, children, the sentence is used for asking questions. These types of sentences where we ask questions are called questions. Okay? Understood? Whenever we are asking something, we are always using question type of sentences. Now, always remember, statement always ends with a full stop and questions always end with a question mark. Is it clear to you, children? If you have understood it, give me a nice wave. Do it like this. Okay. Okay. I'm happy that you are able to understand this. Okay. So these are the two types of sentences, that is statements and questions. Okay. Now, the next thing that we are going to learn is jumble sentences. Now, children, you must have read about and learned about jumble sentences from class 1. Okay, I will be only telling you what is a jumble sentence, okay, and what you have to do when you have a jumble sentence type question. Okay. Okay. Now see children, in these examples, you can see here the group of words are arranged in such a way that they are not making any sense. Okay. Like winter season, children. Can we make any sense out of it? No. Okay. We cannot make any sense out of it. So such type of sentences are called jumble sentences. Okay. Okay, these type of sentences are jumble sentences where the words are mixed in such a way that they do not make any sense. Okay, now what you have to do? You have to rearrange these group of words to make a proper sense. Okay, now while I am doing this, you try to figure out the answer. What can be the answer here? We can have the first word as children. Okay, we are talking about them. So we will write first children. Okay, then what we can say? We can write down a doing word. Okay, like is a doing word. Okay, so we will write children like. What do children like? Children like winter season. Okay, so we can write it as children like winter season. Now children, always remember, when you get questions of rearranging the words into proper sentences, always remember that the first word of the sentence is always beginning with a capital letter. Okay. Also, the sentence will be ending with a full stop. Okay. If it is a statement, it will be full stop. If it is a question, it will be ending with a question mark. Is it clear to you, children? If it is clear to you, give me a thumbs up. Okay. Okay. So this is what we have learned today. Let us revise once again. Number first thing we have learned in this chapter is about sentences. What are sentences? A group of words that makes complete sense is called a sentence. Okay. For every sentence, you must remember 3 points. First thing, every sentence begins with a capital letter. Second thing, every sentence ends with a full stop. Okay. And the third thing, the words in every sentence are arranged in a proper order. Okay. Next thing we have learned about are the type of sentences. We have 2 types of sentences. The first one is a statement. Okay. What is a statement, children? Any sentence that expresses an idea or tells us about something is called a statement. For example, Thomas Edison invented tube light. Okay. Now here, children, we are telling something about Thomas Edison. Okay. So it is a statement. Second, whenever we are asking something, we use the question form of a sentence. Understood? For example, what is your name? Can I have this book? Okay. Do you have my book? Okay. All these sentences are questions. Okay. We are asking something, that is why it is a question. Now always remember, a statement ends with a full stop and a question mark ends with a question mark. Okay. A question ends with a question mark. Okay, children. The next thing we have learned is about jumble sentences. What are jumble sentences? When a group of words are arranged in such a way that they do not make any sense, okay, then it is called as jumbled sentence. Okay, you will be jumbling, you will be rearranging the sentences like I have given here in the example. First, you find out about whom we are talking. Okay, suppose here we are talking about children. So children will be the first word. Okay, then after that you can add a doing word here. Like here I have added like, and then you ask a question. What do children like? The answer is winter season. Okay, children. So this was in the chapter. The materials, all the notes, okay, I will be giving you in the form of a PPT with this class in the YouTube channel. Kindly note down all the notes, and also there are some practice questions. Please try to do them, and from that you will be able to understand. You will be able to understand how you have to finish or how you have to do the worksheets. Okay. So children, I hope it is clear to you. You have understood everything. If you have understood, give me a wave like this. Okay. I'm glad that you understood.